figure out what courses you might want to take if you are in an open program like university transfer or maybe an associate degree or arts and science studies. We recommend in academic advising to use the course catalog search. There's a couple of ways that you can find the course catalog. You can find it right off the home page here, or if you open up the sidebar menu here, you can find it under academics, and here's your course catalog. It will default to the catalog advanced search. And this is where we recommend using filters and keep it kind of open if you're not sure what you're looking for yet. You can select your term, so 2025 fall, leave your subjects open, but do select some academic levels that are appropriate. Academic level, you want to pick undergraduate if you're in university transfer or an associate degree or arts and science studies. And then the course type, I would recommend to keep it open, select university transferable, but always check the BC Transfer Guide to see if the course transfers to the institution that you're aiming at, if you're planning on a transfer. Once this opens up, you can use the filter on the side, on the left-hand side here, and start looking at subjects of interest. So open all your subjects and find something that you might be interested in. So for example, if you're interested in psychology, you can click on that, and this opens up the options of what psychology courses are in the fall of 2025, right? So, I'm going to look at the course description first to see if I'm interested in it, and then I'm going to check the prerequisites. So always keep in mind, do you have the prerequisite for the course? So Psychology 120, for example, this looks interesting to me. So I can look at the available sections. There are 3 available sections here. That's cool. I like it. I don't know how this is going to work in my timetable, but I like it, so I'm going to add it to my plan. So add course to plan, select a term, and you can throw it into the fall. There you go. And of course, the second thing you want to check is, does that Psychology 120 transfer to the institution that I'm aiming at or you're aiming at? So this is where we go to bctransferguide.ca. At bctransferguide.ca, you'll have 2 choices, 2 different kinds of searches that you can do. When you're looking at a Camosun College course and you're wondering if it transfers to a different institution, you're actually going to do the from search. So once you're on the from search page, you're going to set it up like this. From Camosun College, you're going to put your subject in this case, Psych 120. So choose your subject, psychology. Put your number in, 120, the year the course completed. You can leave it at 25, 26, because this is the academic calendar year that you're going to be doing the course. You can add the course. You can add more courses at this stage as well, but we're just going to look at Psych 120. Scroll down, and then here's where you can find the institution or institutions that you are aiming at. If you're aiming at all universities, you can check off the university box here. Or you can just individually check off some universities that you're considering. So perhaps Simon Fraser University or Thompson Rivers University and maybe UVic. When you press search, you'll get the results, and here you go. Camosun College's Psychology 120 does transfer to SFU as Psych 1XX. What that means is that's an unassigned credit. It does transfer. It's not an actual course over there, but it's totally usable as a 100 level psychology. Usually that's an elective. Thompson River University, same thing. It's an unassigned 100 level course. And at UVic, it could be one of 2 things. It could be Psychology 100B was an actual course at UVic, or if you did Psych 120 along with another one from this list, like Psych 164, for example, one of the courses would be granted Psych 100B, and the other one would be granted an unassigned credit of Psychology 1XX, a first-year psychology course. So yay, Psych 120 does transfer, so that's a good choice for you. So now that you know how to use your filters in the advanced catalog search and how to check whether the course transfers on the BC Transfer Guide, you're all set to search and explore courses that are interesting to you. And of course, make an appointment with academic advising so we can talk about what your goals are and we can help you plan ahead. Looking forward to meeting you. Bye.